One of the most common questions people ask us is, why does a preliminary hearing cost so much? Well, there's varying factors. I'm going to give you 3 reasons why I charge what I charge at a preliminary hearing. First and foremost, it's my time. But one thing that's very important to know about my time, it's not just showing up to court. A lot of times people think, oh, well, you just showed up to court. In particular, at my law firm, we do a lot of work at the preliminary hearing. For example, what we do a lot of investigation. We do an onboarding meeting. We're constantly in contact with our clients. In fact, we have strategy sessions that we hold before preliminary hearings. So that's one major reason why preliminary hearings cost so much. While you may only see me for about 15 to 20 minutes in court, there are hours worth of work that you will see me behind closed doors. Second thing that you need to be aware of, and why a preliminary hearing costs as much as it does, is that we have an entire staff and a hired team that is working on your case behind closed doors. So it's not just my time, it's also their time as well. But it's important to note that when we have a whole team working on your case, we have definitely a better chance of having high success. Whether it's a domestic violence case or a gun case, we have a whole slew of team members that are going to work on all of your issues. And lastly is going to be our experience in court. We have a ton of experience in court. In particular, myself, I've probably conducted over 1,000 preliminary hearings. I've cross-examined victims, officers, so many to remember. One of the things I'm trying to accomplish at a preliminary hearing is I'm trying to get somebody in a witness to be contrary to what they've said to the police already. So how do I know what they've said to the police already? I don't. Sometimes I have to guess. And sometimes I can guess by looking at the charges. I look at the affidavit of probable cause or the PARs and what the police have. I use my relationships to talk to police officers or the district attorneys just to get an idea of what they said. And I hope that we can do something where we can set you up real good for trial. So even though the cost may be high or may not be something that you think is commensurate with the time that's spent in, I can assure you that we charge a fair rate at a preliminary hearing. And frankly, to me, that's the best investment in yourself at this stage, is in the preliminary hearing.